हाय गाइस, नमस्कार, बोंजूर एंड वेलकम बैक। सो आज का जो वीडियो है इट्स लाइक रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम द व्यूअर्स। कुछ लोगों ने बोला था कि मेक अ वीडियो ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट जॉब्स, on the jobs which you got, how did you got it, internships, etc. So today I will just share my experience about part-time jobs and internships in France. First, I did my internship for 6 months, and which was then converted to a 3 months CDD contract job. How did I get that internship? Is actually via Facebook. Yes. So until then, I knew that Indeed and Monster and LinkedIn, these three are the places where you can try to find jobs or internships. And I spoke to my college administration, and they were actually helpful, but they cannot give you the exact location that okay, there is vacancy in this place, or there is internship at this place, so go there and job apply karo. But they do give the list of places, like they give you job forums dete hain where you can go, and there are like so many companies. You give your CV, you talk to them. Some people get instant approval, some get approval later, or some doesn't get that. So it is the standard application procedure which everybody does. Okay, so I am a part of some groups on Facebook as well, not some, actually many. So there are some groups which are like stage in France, or jobs in France, or part-time jobs in France, internship in Paris, etc. So there are groups like this. So I did apply to one Facebook post. I just saw, and it was very simple, that we are looking for a stage for us. We are looking for an intern for a startup which should start in January, whatever the date. And I just responded saying that I'm very much interested. I am just finishing my college and I am looking forward to work for a startup as well. And that's how I got a call. And like within 2 days, I got selected and I finished my internship. At the end of my internship, my director actually asked like if I'm okay to work for 3 more months for him, and I said of course. So it was a contract period, and I really learned a lot from there, how the French work culture is and how it is so different from the Indian working culture. The system is different, the way they work. So I learned a lot from that place, and I'm really grateful to the first work experience I had in France. Okay, और उसके बाद I have done some part-time jobs. I'm still doing part-time job, but I worked with McD as well. Yes, I've worked. I know some people think that working in restaurants, it's not nice. Restaurant में job नहीं करना चाहिए. What is this? हम masters पढ़ने आए हैं, and masters पढ़ने आए हैं, ये पढ़ने आए हैं. Why we should do such type of job? But I will tell you, ये जो mentality है ना, this mentality that this job is not nice, it is not good job or reputed job, ये सब mentality अपनी country में छोड़ दो. All these things you should keep it and leave it in your own country. Okay, because here when you think and when you choose to come as a student, okay, so you have to consider yourself as a student. Okay, if you speak French fluent and you have experience in the same field and you have studied in the same field, then of course not to be so much proud of, but yes, you can still expect to get opportunities in that field without having much issues. But अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो, if you think that yeah, I was a manager, I was handling teams, I was like a BPO manager, I was working in so and so MNC company, and why I have to work in a restaurant, then you should not come here. Okay, so if you come here and you have that thinking that okay, I work like this and I don't want to work because this is a low grade job or something, then you should not think of coming here. You should make your French fluent and have good experience, etc. Or you should decide for some other English speaking countries. So my experience in McD was amazing. I had no training, and it was the first time I was going to work in a restauration, that is to fast food place, and I don't eat fast food at all. And there is no vegetarian dishes except salad or ice cream. They were not speaking English at all, and they all knew that I know the basic French. So I was forced to speak in French, and which was a fun experience. So I enjoyed working there. I would have prolonged my stay there. However, due to the timing problems, I had to leave. and which gave me entry into another adventure which I never thought of, that is Disneyland. Yes, so I got an opportunity to work at Disneyland Paris. Like, कौन सोचता है राइट कि यार आप फ्रांस जाओगे और आईफिल टावर तो चलो ठीक है देख लिया, शॉन्ज़ेलिज़े सॉ इट व्हाटएवर, बट किसने सोचा है कि आप डिज्नीलैंड पेरिस में जाके काम करोगे. सो आई वर्कड इन द सप्लाई चेन इंडस्ट्री, लाइक सप्लाई चेन सेक्टर इन देयर फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 6 months, एंड फॉर मी इट वॉज वेरी बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी थी, बिकॉज इट डजंट गो लाइक आप ऐसे प्लेस पे जाके डिज्नीलैंड के अंदर जाके आप पूछ नहीं सकते कि ओ इज़ देयर अ जॉब, कैन आई अप्लाई. यू हैव टू अप्लाई ऑनलाइन उनकी वेबसाइट के थ्रू. सो आई वेंट लाइक दिस एंड देयर वर लाइक 80 people. एक इंटरव्यू का डे था जहाँ पे इंटरव्यूज़ हुआ. पहले वो लोग ने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, इंडक्शन दिया कंपनी के बारे में एक्सेट्रा, एंड देन आउट ऑफ 80 आई गेस 4 या 5 लोग थे जो इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे थे, रेस्ट ऑल वर फ्रेंच. तो जब मेरी बारी आई मैंने भी फ्रेंच में बात करी जितनी भी फ्रेंच आती है मुझे. तो एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट दैट प्रोफाइल. So I was very much, it was very good experience. And the first day I went, I was thinking कि मैं क्या करूँगी जाके यार, what I'm going to do. Everybody speaks French and everybody knew that I know the basic French. So they are like, with this person we need to speak it in just French. English चाहिए ही नहीं. So the first day was super awesome, like all the childhood dreams, like Disneyland, Mickey Mouse, Donald, Princess, Jasmine, etc. You get to see all of them, and the music जो हम बचपन में सुनते थे कार्टून नेटवर्क पे, वो सब चीज़ वापस आ गया. तो इट वॉज सुपर ऑसम, लाइक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. क्योंकि एक तो क्लाइंट फेसिंग रहता है, तो आप क्लाइंट से बात करते हो, यू गेट टू नो, एंड it's not mandatory to speak French if you apply to Disneyland Paris. I would just tell you that. So even if you speak English and if you speak other more languages, like if you speak Spanish or something else also, it is fine. If you don't speak any other language and only English, then also it is fine. You can still apply to Disneyland Paris. It's a beautiful place to go and work. It's fun working environment. एकदम इतना जजमेंट नहीं है, they don't judge you by from where you come and all. They will just all try to motivate you and speak better French actually. And the best part is कि यार you get free entry everywhere, anywhere, anytime. So मेरा 6 महीने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था, 6 months of contract, and I went there a lot of times, took many of my friends with me, not many, 4-5 लोगों को लेकर गई थी साथ में. एंड मुझे तो पर्सनल लाइक फ्री एंट्री है. इफ़ यू आर एन एम्प्लॉय देयर देन यू हैव फ्री एंट्री anywhere in the park. You don't have to stand for the queue also. You can use your employee pass as well, and there is no limit to take a ride. You can just roam around, take photos. So it was really a dream which I never dreamt of, and it came true. So मेरा पार्ट टाइम जॉब एक्सपीरियंस फ्रांस में वॉज नॉट बैड एट ऑल. इट्स एक्चुअली नाइस, एंड एज मैंने अपने पुराने वीडियोज़ में बोला है कि इट्स not very difficult to find part-time jobs, but when you speak the basic French, that is minimum A2 level as well, it becomes little easy, because most of the part-time jobs require you to connect with the client, like you need to speak with them. So even if a hi, hello, how are you, how was the day, what do you want, this is the basic things, basic courtesy also you can say. So these basic things you should learn if you are in France. सो ये था मेरा एक्सपीरियंस, मेरी जर्नी अभी तक की फ्रांस में जॉब्स से रिलेटेड. सून जैसे जैसे मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ रहा है मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगी अपना एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग और स्टडिंग जो भी है. एंड आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया एंड आप मोटिवेट हुए हो पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स अप्लाई करने के लिए, फ्रेंच सीखने के लिए, फ्रांस आने के लिए, नहीं भी आने के लिए, डिज्नीलैंड जाने के लिए, मैकडोनल्ड्स जाने के लिए, एंड थोड़ी अपनी सोच को और creative बनाइए, don't keep it एक ही जगह पे. Alright, so until next time, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. अपनी queries, comments आप mention करिए comments में, and see you next time. Ciao.